Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Language is not just a tool for communication. It is a vessel that carries the identity, values, and history of a culture. Through language, we express our deepest truth, share collective memories, and convey the unique worldview that shape us as a community. In many ways, language serves as a bridge between the past and the present, between different generations, and even between nations. Therefore, allow me, Naila Desnapogia, to speak about the power of language in connecting culture. More specifically, the preservation of culture depends on how we use language. Well, what happens when a language begins to disappear? What happens to the culture it represents? In fact, language and culture are two things that cannot be separated. When we lose a language, we lose an important part of ourselves. For the reason, the preservation of language is not just about preserving words and phrases, but also about maintaining the traditions, customs, and ways of thinking contained within them. Take, for example, regional language or indigenous language. These languages are not just a collection of words. They are carriers of ancient wisdom, ways of life, and complex systems of knowledge. The loss of language can mean the loss of a unique worldview about nature, society, and the world itself. When we stop speaking language, we stop passing down its cultural stories, its distinctive nuances, and its deep connection to the environment within it. On the other hand, when we actively preserve and promote language, we, all, we are also preserving the culture it represents. This connection is clearly visible when we observe how communities from diverse cultural backgrounds maintaining their language while embracing modernity. Festival celebrations, storytelling arts, traditional music, and daily habits all are rooted in language. Language helps strengthen the importance of this practice by providing a platform that allows us to pass them on to future generations. Therefore, the question we should ask is how can we ensure that our culture remains strong and alive? The answer, in many ways, lies in how we use language. By speaking our native language, teaching them to our children, and creating space where this language can develop, we are securing our cultural heritage. This responsibility does not only rest on the shoulders of linguists or scholars, it is our collective duty to keep our language alive in everyday life, whether through conversation with family, participation in community events, or simply reading traditional literature. Every effort matters. In this increasingly globalized world, it is easy to feel that language is merely a secondary tool, something that can be replaced by a more dominant language. However, the truth is that our language is not just a communication tool. Language is the foundation of our identity. Without our language, we risk losing the essence of who we are. So let us be aware of the power in our hands. Let us embrace our language with pride and pass it on to future generations. Because as long as we continue speaking our language, we continue to connect with our culture and ensure that culture remains alive for the generations to come. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi